So, if you go to Himalaya, what will be the atmospheric pressure there?
Will be more. Means less.
It will be more mean less? I don't get it.
Less.
It will be less. And if you go to the
We'll
sea,
breathe there means we have to breathe very deeply there.
why?
Because we are if we are up on the hills and all we can see that the villages everything, but we have to do like this because we have to suck there because there in the top of the hills we cannot get the air more.
Why? So air is not there, you think? Air is not
Air
there?
air is there, but it's really very less
Why?
because there are no plants.
You talked about the atmospheric pressure. You tell what is the pressure you define that the pressure in per unit area.
Force per unit.
Huh? Yeah, force per unit area. You tell no? Okay. So atmospheric pressure, when you say, so if you go to a sea beach, like a Konkan sea, then what will happen?
I don't gone there. I don't think.
Okay.
सी लेवल पे ज़्यादा प्रेशर होगा या हिमालय पे ज़्यादा प्रेशर होगा?
At higher altitudes.
Sea level.
क्यों होगा?
Because there is more water.
More water, more air.
Okay, so tell me, this is taller than this. If I fill the water this bottle, so this weight will be more or this weight will be more?
This will be more.
Why?
Because if I pour water in the hole, it will come till here.
Yeah.
And if I put water here, it will come till here.
So the weight is depending on the height.
No,
It's not depending on the height of this continent.
it's different.
Yeah. So the same way, if you explain the atmosphere pressure, when you are here, the atmosphere on you now, and when you're going to up in the hill, the Himalaya, then the atmosphere, so you are above some place, so the distance of the column of air is decreasing. So the pressure is less, and density, you know density? Air density you don't know? You just said that when air is hot, it will go up. You said now when you are explaining why when air is hot it go up.
Lighter, which is the lighter air? Hot air or cold air?
Cold air,
Cold air is lighter. Then
hot air.
So
hot air, okay.
you need to revise your model. Okay? You actually just memorize it and come. That honest answer.
Okay, so let me know that atmospheric principle. Huh? Is your model explains the atmospheric pressure? How?
Because when I suck it,
Ah.
the atmospheric pressure is going because the balloon is sucking the air. So that's why the balloon is blowing off.
Why it is sucking air? Why it sucks air?
Because air cannot enter till here because
Air can enter and hence it is blowing, no? It's blow because of the air or any other material comes to the balloon. No.
only air comes.
So why air comes in the balloon? Okay. Huh? Okay.
Good.
Good.
Very nice. Very nice. I am impressed. Okay? Nice talk. But,
Standard? Fourth standard.
so you are fourth standard?
It's a
What
project.
is your project?
Archimedes screw. This is an Archimedes screw. Archimedes screw is a very simple but effective pump. Inside a tube is spiral uh, which scoops up the water. The device is used to lift water from irrigation canals and rivers onto dry fields.
So how it works? So you know Archimedes principle? No?
Who is Archimedes?
Scientist.
Yeah, name is there, so it will be scientist. That is for sure. But you don't know the principle. You are working on the same project, Archimedes. You put his name also. So how it works? You just show us. Means, can you explain how it working?
See, when I rotate this pump in water, the water comes up, and from here it comes out. Because of this tube, the water comes up.
So why it is coming up?
Um,
Though you know water is not going up. You know that.
water is going.
Water.
ये जो है वो कहाँ पे यूज़ किया है मालूम है आपको कहाँ पे ये प्रिंसिपल जो है आर्किमेडिस स्क्रू आप कहाँ यूज़ कर सकते हो कहाँ यूज़ करोगे
आपने बोला था अभी थोड़ी देर पहले। हाँ यूज हो सकता है अभी अभी बोला था।
We can use it in irrigation canals and rivers
रिवर्स
onto dry fields.
फॉर व्हाट पर्पस
Onto dry fields.
हाँ
Onto dry fields.
ड्राइविंग्स
Fields.
Right field.
फ्रॉम
Dry
रिवर्स टू ड्राई फील्ड्स।
रिवर्स टू ड्राइविंग ओके
अच्छा।
हाँ ऐसे। ये जो आपने पिक्चर बनाया है हाँ ये ठीक है बराबर
So, why you think it is best then? So, what is the conventional methods people use to do irrigation and all? You know that? What is the people?
Do you know pump?
So now all the conventional method people using farmer and all, they use pumps. You know,
So what is
the motors and pumps. It's all electric consuming. So this system, you draw a picture there. There is a handle. You see there is a handle. So you can a farmer don't need any energy, but still he can use the water for irrigations and all. So that is the good method for.
dry field at 1 kilometer? Can you use this screw? From canal, here is a canal, and 1 kilometer away there is a dry field. Huh? Can you use this screw? No, why?
Because distance is more.
Good. So, what is the necessity or the sufficient condition? Distance should be very small. Okay.
Many using. Many usable ink. Many. So what is the idea?
I'm dipping this into this is lemon juice, and I'm dipping this air bud into the lemon juice, and I'm writing some things in this lemon. You can see.
No.
can see.
Yeah. So I can see it. So what is the principle behind it?
Some chemical in the lemon juice, so burn paper easily.
So
Burn paper easily.
Burnt paper easily. Which chemical?
Lemon juice.
so why it is coming?
Because some chemical.
Yeah, some chemicals is there. So what is happening with the flame?
Some chemical in this. So when we put here,
Hmm.
that burn paper easily.
My name is Swayam Anil Margudri. I am
एक सेकंड दोबारा से. What's your name?
Swayam Anil Margudri.
Your standard?
Third.
Okay, now you can start.
I have make a hole in this bottle and I have put water inside this bottle. Now I will straight the bottle. The water will stop leaking. When I will lose the bottle, the water will start leaking. This is because when I lose the cap of the bottle, the air pushes down water, and when I tight the cap of the bottle, then air stops pushing down the water.
Pushes down.
Why? Why it pushes down?
Because I will lose the bottle.
I know, no, you don't have to lose, but I am telling you why it pushes down.
Make it tight.
When you lose the bottle.
Because when I lose the bottle, the air pushes down to the hole, and when I tight the cap of the bottle, the air stop pushing down the water.
ढक्कन रहता है ना, फिर ऐसा ही ढक्कन रहता है.
अच्छा, ऑन करने से हुआ क्या? अभी ये जो तुम्हारा बॉटल है, यहाँ तो हवा अभी भी है ना? यहाँ पे एयर है ना? तो पानी क्यों नहीं गिर रहा? तो ये टाइट नहीं ना अभी.
टाइट है, but still it will.
जब तुम इसको लूज करते तो क्यों पानी गिर रहा है? क्यों गिर रहा है?
हवा उससे ना नीचे निकलती है.
My topic is an electric circuit.
This electric circuit.
Yes. I will explain how to make this project. First, we have to name some of those things which are used in the project: an electric bulb, an electric battery, an electric wires. Then first we will attach the wires to the battery. Then there are two wires, one negative and one positive. Then we will attach the negative wire to the one side of LED bulb's wire. Then we will attach the positive wire to the other side of bulb's wire. Then you can see the bulb light goes up because the current passes through the wire. It is called as an electric circuit. I will show you some good conductors and bad conductors of electricity. And this is a paper clip. It is a good conductor for electricity. And this metal bangle is also a good conductor of electricity. Then I will attach the pencil, which is both sides sharpened. It is also a good conductor. And this is also a good conductor. And this nail is also a good conductor.
So what do you mean by conductor?
Conductor means which electricity passes that.
So what do you mean by electricity? How you define electricity? What is electricity actually?
देखो इस पे आप जो कलर लगाओगे तो उसमें से जाएगी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जाएगी क्या?
नहीं, मेटल से जाएगी।
मेटल से कलर लगाने के बाद भी जाएगी?
हाँ।
हाँ,
हाँ।
कलर लगाने के बाद भी जाएगी?
हाँ, बिकॉज इट
ये
इज
कन-
मेटल।
मेटल कलर लगाने के बाद भी जाएगी?
हाँ,
ऑयल पेंट लगाए तो जाएगी?
बिकॉज इट इज मेटल।
मेटल जाएगी।
हाँ,
मैंने उसको प्लास्टिक से ऐसा कवर किया तो जाएगी?
नहीं, क्योंकि वो प्लास्टिक बैड कंडक्टर है।
बैड कंडक्टर है। फिर पेंट क्या है?
And then this is a battery. I will it is covered with plastic. I will attach these wires and then I will attach these wires. It will not work because it is covered with plastic. Plastic is a bad conductor. And thermocol is also
थर्मोकोल इज अ
bad conductor.
ये कंडक्टर और बैड कंडक्टर का आप कहाँ पे यूज करोगे?
Uh, when we are in electricians are using this type. Here even human from one place to another place it is used.
What? कंडक्टर और बैड कंडक्टर?
Conductor, it is a good conductor. These things are all good conductors.
Yeah, that is okay.
Like a
That is
plastic.
that we understand. But we are asking that, so when you transport electricity from one place to another place, as you are saying, you
Yes.
need to transport electricity.
Yes.
So how you use insulate bad conductor and good conductor?
We have to use positive wire. Then we will attach the positive wire to one side. That
Yeah,
thing
that
that is
we
used,
understand.
and then we will attach the bulbs wire, electric wire.
Yes.
Then
We got
then
it. So
electricity passes.
so this wire you used. Okay. So here, can you explain which is bad conductor, which is where there is what is there? What is the materials in the wire?
It will work because
No. What are the materials in the wire? This wire,
Materials?
yeah.
when we touch in the open, it will shock. We get a shock.
Yeah. So that's why he was asking that why you going to use bad conductor and good conductor. So good conductor you use to transport the energy, but bad conductor you can use
For safety.
for safety.
प्लास्टिक बटन जो है वो किस लिए बना है? बैड कंडक्टर है ना, आपको
Yes.
हाथ लगाना पड़ता है।
Then we will touch that open. Now we will get a shock.
So what we have to use?
A bad conductor outside.
My name is Saeed Zamdade. I am from 4th standard. Here I am going
Which standard?
4th.
Telescope.
Yes. I am going to show you a telescope. This is telescope. Here I had used two lenses. This is objective. The big lens is called as objective lens, and small lens is called as eyepiece lenses. Here, when to get here I had used two lenses, one cardboard and one pipe. I had rolled a big lens with a cardboard, and here I had taken pipe and joined the small lens to the pipe. There are two types of lenses. One is convex lens and one is concave lens. Concave lens is an diverging lens and convex lens is an converging lens. If we use double convex lens, we get invert image. Why it is coming to the straight and the image is formed outside, and that's why the image shows an invert. So to get a erect image, to get an erect image, we have in telescope in middle we have to put an relay lens, and then we can get a erect image. And it is
Did the telescope first. You don't know his name. It's bad. You know? It's very bad.
इसका नाम क्या है बोला आपने? What is the name of this lens?
objective lens
Objective. Why?
because it is used for collect the lens.
Correct the
It is used to collect the lights and make the image
Makes the image.
So
okay.
what is the use of the telescope?
to see the sky objects.
Why you need to see the sky objects? So can you use the telescope to see farther?
Yes.
Okay.